Bluetooth mode. Turn up the volume. Maximum. Turn down the volume. Press once. Change the song. Next song. Previous song. Press once.
Turner mode.
Change the mode. FM mode. Press once the knob switch. Now it's doing the auto search. Search the channels. After the full search, you press once this and this, you can change the channel. Okay.
Clock mode.
Now, it is the time clock. How to set the time clock? Long press it. Long press it to change the hour. Short press, change the minute. Okay. Press once this. It is the alarm clock. This alarm clock. Long press it. 7, 9. Short press. Okay. So this is the time clock. Alarm clock. You need to turn on it. Turn on the alarm. This means the alarm clock is on. You need to turn on it. Okay.
Music mode.
USB music play. TF card music play.
Paired.
Bluetooth.
Turner mode.
Okay. This.
Clock mode.
You can say this. This is the button to turn on and off.
Power off. Music mode.